That's a big equipment.
Yeah, whatever was factory is what I'm saying. They definitely came and widened out portions of it.
Somebody probably bought this property.
A couple of trees they used had to carry forward over it. No, like there's these ones, but fucking, I've got 4 different pipes, different polarization, different. Oh yeah, it's gonna be black muddy down there, buddy.
Mm-hmm. I think I'm about as prepared as I can get for it. Dude, I bet you the live frog crushes it down here.
It would. You can hear them. You can hear them eating frogs in these pictures.
Yeah.
I think for the most part, because I see them move up in here too, I think a lot of the times they move forward and bluegill.
Kind of love it, dude.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
It reminds me of my buddy growing up had a little private pond that was real similar to this.
You stay on one side up there.
Okay.
Until you tie your thing on.
I thought I was the steer guy. Yo. I can see some just fucking dancing around right under the boat here. Said I can see the bluegill dancing around under the boat here. Yeah, just watch that one hit. That was cool. Wow, this feels like a good one.
There's a good one. He is digging like a good one, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he is. Doing the circles at the boat.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's a toad.
Fuck yeah, it is.
There's a toad,
That's
brother.
a nice one.
God, he's got me just at the fucking bottom.
That's a nice one, dude.
Very nice.
Got the old chest cam on, just fucking give him one of them. Yeah, she's ripping. Catch and release. See you later, bud.
Fuck Peter, though.
Yeah. I don't hate this presentation. Big Luke, he likes them when they just sit there and do nothing.
Yeah, that's his favorite.
Yo, bro, yo.
He just took it.
Damn,
hit him.
son.
It's in his mouth sideways. Got it.
Oh, I don't know, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Is the bluegill still on there?
Shredded.
Yeah. Damn, bro, I should have had a fucking bigger hook.
You need to tighten that drag up.
I just don't think the way that I had him hooked that it was.
That boy was hungry. That was cool.
He's still fucking kicking, bro. Said he's still kicking. I'm sending him back over there. Same spot.
Yeah, I think I was saying that was. Oh yeah, big pike for you. Oh, bass? Is that a bass?
Get him, buddy. You got the net.
Dude.
Yo!
He's right here. I was like, is that a bass?
Damn, dog.
Yeah, boys. Yeah, boys, on the fake
That
gill.
was a nice one.
Hold him up for my camera.
Huh?
Yeah.
Big bluegill in it?
Nice,
Nice,
dude.
dude.
You like that behind the back?
No,
Swap
some-
my rod, I do the other shoulder move.
That's a good maneuvering. Loosen up the tendons on that.
Oh, yo.
Oh.
Yo. Yo.
You got that hook.
What's the move here, Joe? Play me through it.
What's the problem?
Nothing.
You in the boat? Your bobber.
Oh, buddy. You camera going?
Yeah.
Nice.
You dogging ya?
Oh my God, bro.
Oh my God, are you serious?
No, he's got it. He's got it. He's got
Pick
it.
it up again?
Yeah.
What a fucking psycho. Bro, what? Oh my God.
There he is. Oh, I just seen him swim that way.
Which way?
That way.
Oh my God.
Damn, dude. Look at your bluegill, though. That boy's been through some shit.
Oh my
You're
God.
sending right back into fucking water.
I mean, how big do you think he was?
I
just
couldn't
seen
see
the
it.
Fucking stern.
He was
fucking.
God damn, bro. I just don't know. I mean, if he's not hooked in the mouth, what do you do? I mean, I just.
Maybe you do want to give him more time. I don't know.
A little bigger hook.
The ones before, dude, just went down. That one grabbed it and took off.
Were you even paying attention, or is that what you were saying? You just fucking. Oh, you got line getting taken out.
No, I looked over and my bobber's gone and my rod's fucking bending over and.
That's pretty wild.
God damn, bro.
Boys, a 33 under. Come on. Watch your PTs, here he comes.
Nice.
And then, like, if you need them later, like, check this out. You got fucking Kevlar sleeves. You can hold a fucking hawk if I want. Bro.
You know who this reminds me of right now, Joe? Is that Tavern Dillard guy, that's always fishing with Cliff Pace or whatever on Instagram, and he's like, I showed you the video one day. He's like, all right, folks, we're out here doing. We got 10 tips on how to fish. Damn, that's a nice fish. Oh shit. Well,
Fucking shit.
yeah. Yeah, he's still on, but I'm fucking
What is it?
tangled up. Hard saying.
He's head digging, isn't he? He's head shaking while he's on the way.
Fuck.
Let me go get him.
You got the shorts for it, bro. You're a fucking gator guy. Oh, he's fucking thinking about coming.
Dang, bro, what you got hooked here?
Dude,
I don't know.
Wax me in the fucking chest and neck. I'm going in.
You're really in a fucking roll.
I know, bro. I know. There just ain't no two fucking good ways about it.
You see him in there?
I'm surprised he ain't broke my shit off yet, because I'm sure he's just yanking on this line against them lilies.
Is he still on there?
Maybe not.
Can you follow the line down with your hand, Braden?
Oh, I think he just got off. Yep.
Damn, bro.
Fuck.
Broke your line?
Yep.
That was up in those weeds, or he took off?
He took off into the weeds.
Andrew Hood. You wanna know that name?
No. All right, bobber down. God, just don't know what to do.
Still down?
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna let him have it for a minute. Cause you know he's down there fucking tearing that thing apart right now. I like the fact that he instantly headed out deeper with it too.
Did he too?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's better than him heading in the weeds.
Fishing while he has a fish on.
Get another cast.
I don't know what to do. I've been in this scenario 3 times today and I ain't got it figured out.
You wait for him to shit it back out and then try to grab his asshole.
Yeah. Oh, the bobber's right here underneath of me.
Oh, you better do something.
Oh, dude, it's moving.
Is it really?
Look, I'm seeing things.
No, it's definitely moving. I hope I don't fucking oh, not ideal.
Under the anchor rope.
Yeah, he's fucking.
You're gonna have to do the. You put your.
Yep. Here, take this one.
Yeah, put your rod under the anchor rope, right? Right underneath us.
Yep.
Oh, you got some weight there.
See the bobber.
I mean, it ain't a fucking.
Oh, you got him?
No, he.
Now you do.
Oh, I thought it looked like he just fucking spit my fish, but he just got a corner of the mouth fucking hook set on him.
There you go. There we go, boys. Bigger than 19.
One in the bag. Fucking.
What a dick.
Yeah, finna be swimming here in a second.
Nice one, John. We needed that.
Fuck.
My God, dog. You might have been swimming.
I know, that's what I was saying, bro.
What a conundrum that was, where he grabbed it. Where'd the bobber go?
Damn, dude.
Dude, that fucker is sticky.
Yeah. Slimy, ugly. Well, off you go, bud.
I think I got him hooked. Holy shit. I must have him hooked. There's no way he's still hanging on.
Brady, you're getting fucking smoked.
Huh?
Oh, it's just a bluegill, never mind.
Hold on. You got us a pike here, boy.
Dude.
Ate the whole fucking gill. Yo!
Nice, buddy.
Come on. He lets go at the very last second. There you go, boys. What's that, about 29, 28 probably? You got that on body cam, John?
Yeah?
Get your little...
Fuck yeah.
Turn around there, Braden. Oh,
That fucker anyway.
Do you not know how a 360 camera works?
nice. You wanted to eat pike a little